If you like that clean hotel style scent at home, this one is really nice. So this is the white tea spa fragrance oil, and I've been using it in a reed diffuser, but I mix it myself so I can control how strong it is. What I do is I use a fragrance base and then add the oil at about 20 to 30%. So for example, if I'm filling a small diffuser bottle, I'll do roughly 70 to 80% base and then 20 to 30% of the fragrance oil. Then I add the reed sticks and let them sit for a few hours to absorb the oil. And after that, I flip the reeds once, and that helps start the scent. And I love this white tea spa scent. It smells like walking into a nice hotel. It's clean, it's subtle, and really relaxing. Definitely check it out.